Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image and also add another image without actually losing that bit that you have actually cut out. So if it's yourself or it's another picture, sometimes if you put a background it can actually not look that realistic or not look that good, or sometimes you can lose your image. So I'm going to show you how you can do it correctly and then also how you can blur your image as well. So the very first thing you want to do is go to where it says create design, and then you want to click on edit photo, and this will open up to your files, and then you can choose your files. And then the great thing is they've actually made a quicker feature now. So on the left hand side you want to just click background remover, so this will work on the background and remove the background. And then once it's done that, what we want to do is click on use in design up here. So here we are, there's the image there. Now you may think you can just go up here and change the background, or click red or click green, or even choose a background here, but what you'll notice is you actually lose your original image. So before you click on any background section, you want to right click on the image and then click where it says detach image from background. So now the image and the background are separate, so you can choose any background now and there won't be any problem. So you could be at the beach or you could be on hills, and then your original image would still be there in the middle, and then you can change the size of your original image by dragging it here, but the background will be separate. We could do the same. We go to blur, and we may want to take myself out and just keep the dog in, or we may want to blur myself, do it the other way around. So let's put blur, and if we were to do blur the dog here, that would blur it a bit more. And you see how the more you go over it a few more times, it definitely blurs it out. So there we are. You could do this for, if it was addresses or license plates. There's so many good things about blurring images and removing backgrounds. And then remember to click done here, because if we were to download this, it's really strange. The other day I went to click download and then it didn't download as a blur, and you can lose all your work and then you'd have to redo it again. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you would like other tutorials like this, do let me know.